Right, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Now firstly, you're probably wondering, George, why are you spraying everything again? Didn't you do it properly the first time? Yes, we did. However, we made a mistake and we didn't sand down the parts. Now obviously this is the fog light cover and the reversing light cover for the obviously the Mark II Focus ST in front of me, and I've laid them out. I've spent the last 40 minutes sandpapering them down and getting them to a state that I believe they will be suitable to be sprayed permanently. Since doing this last time, I've kind of learned, as I've mentioned in videos, prepare twice, cut once, or in this particular instance, spray once. And I just thought that I'd get them done. I've got my buddy from AutoChrome Alloys in the background, and we're going to get this done, and we'll join you ever so shortly. So I'll stick the camera down and I'll show you exactly what it is that we're getting up to. Right, now the first layer of primer is done. Obviously we're just jumping on to the first layer of the gloss black. It's no longer anthracite, blacking out the car in full. Doing it properly. Right, so you would have seen at the start of the last video that me and Ross fitted the wheel. I will jump in the car now. I'll show you exactly what this is like. So it's a genuine Momo. Obviously it says Gotham at the bottom, that's been stitched in. This is fully leather, and it's got these nice touches up here as well, which I really like. The horn hasn't been wired in yet, but I can do. And we're also going to sort out the airbag light, which is obviously a necessity right this second. For some reason the engine management light has popped up, which it didn't have on earlier. So I'll have to have a look into that, but I'm sure it's absolutely fine. Obviously tomorrow we're off to Plymouth Drag and Drift, and it's going to be super exciting, so I'm looking forward to getting that done. I'm going out with Corley, and you guys are going to get to watch that with me. But yeah, just thought I'd show you. Obviously it's on the quick release here. I can't do it with one hand. Wait, hold on. Let's see what I can do. Okay, there we go. So you can see there, super easy. Quick release. Really, really good quality. I'll just put that one on as well. Can I do this one-handed? Boom. That simple. Let me know what you think. I'm going to get this painting finished and get the car put back together. And then we'll see you guys tomorrow at Plymouth Drag and Drift. Now we've sprayed the satin black. Obviously it's onto the gloss black now. Making sure that we take a lot more time, care and attention with these. So I've literally done everything I can in order to weigh down that piece of tarpaulin. We did have a bit of an incident earlier. The wind kind of took it all sideways and we managed to catch it just in time. Got the ST waiting. I'll just talk you through a couple of things that I've been up to. Been desperately trying to fix my sub. Now the actual seal has come and broken. I've been trying to fix it. Turns out I'm going to have to buy a new one. So that's not cool. I'm currently having to put up with a rather shitty music system right now. So it's a bit of a shame. Seeing as we've got the last layer of black done, it's definitely an opportunity to get the lacquer out. And I'm just using this clear lacquer spray paint. Got a tough, durable finish from Autotech Professionals. So I'll do 2 layers of lacquer. So my business manager's just rocked up.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, no, he's got the ST. This is his work car. I'm going to get the last layer of lacquer done just while I'm here. And hopefully it goes down pretty well. Now it's exactly the same stuff as before. Simple job. It's nice and bright and nice and sunny today as well, so it helps out in terms of drying, which is nice and useful. Right guys, it's about 3 hours later. Corley's turned up and basically they are now dry. So we put them together. They're all completely done. Corley's got 2 in his hands and we're going to go fit them. So what we'll do is we'll start with the front. Let's go do those, Corley. So if you check the back one here, we'll take these 2 front ones over. You hold that and I'll grab the necessary part. The cores are fucking left of me, man. This, we need this, and then we need one of these. So let's go in here. Alright, ignore the lacquer peel guys, I do apologise. Long story short, goes in here first. It's literally the most simple thing ever. And then it goes in like so. Now obviously these screws just go in super simple in these little holes. Get them tightened up. That's it, that one's in.
Lovely.
Simple job. Right, other one.
On to the next one.
Goes in there like so.
Lovely.
Easy job.
It's a fucking ants actually, I swear.
Where?
Well, there's just so many ants on.
Right, let's go get these back ones in. From the front, all blacked out. Right, let's go do the backs. Again with this one, 2 clips in there like so. There's no screws on this one, alright? So it's just making sure that it's in the right place. Easy job. That's it now. Obviously I'll clean the car tomorrow, but it all blends in, it's all black, there's no anthracite grey anymore, no gunmetal grey. Yeah, so that's good. Ready for Perranporth drag and drift tomorrow. Right, last one, again, 2 pieces in like so. Oh, come on you bastard.
Clickety-clack.
Bosh. It's that simple, guys. That is the reversing light, the fog lights, and all the plastic surrounds on the car. Refinished and pushed in gloss black. Right, that's it, guys. It's been a productive day. Like I said, reversing lights and fog lights, all in gloss black, both on the back and on the front. As you can see, all right, looks really good. I'm super happy with it. Corley's been very kind.
You're welcome.
Turned up to assist with the camera. Corley, this is your only chance. Outro the video.
Please like, comment and subscribe. Peace.